Hello everyone, our today's topic is homologous series and nomenclature of carbon compounds. To understand, first of all, let us see. This is alkanes, this is saturated hydrocarbon. In first video I have told you how we are going down. This is methane, ethane, propane, butane and pentane and so on. And these are black, it's written the molecular formula for this. This is C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, C5H12. If you will observe this while going down, there is a difference between C and C2. There is one carbon, and C4 and H6, this is H4 and H6, this is two hydrogen. In the same way here C3 and C4, it is one carbon, and H8 and H10 two hydrogen. This becomes a one group. This is called as CH2 group. Here I have written here CH2 group means this is a very important rule for homologous series. In the same way, it is alkenes. First member is not valid. Second member, it is C2H4, which is ethene, C3H6 propene, C4H8 butene, C5H8 pentene. Here also this follows the same pattern, C2C3 C H4H6 H2. Here also in the alkyne group, first member doesn't valid, second is C2H2, C3H4, again here it is CH2. So anywhere the homologous series means the member of that family, if they follow this pattern and differ by CH2 group, then that series is said to be the homologous series. And the homologous series means all the members of the same group, like these all members are from alkane, these all are the members from alkenes, these all are the members from alkynes. This series is so said to be the homologous series, which follows a difference of CH2 group. These are the physical some properties of homologous series having the same general formula. The same general formula means like alkanes have general formula CnH2n plus 2, alkene has CnH2n, and alkyne has CnH2n minus 2. And second is same chemical properties. If they have the same general formula, the structure will be same, the combination will be same, means they will be having the same chemical properties. And the same trend in the physical properties. The same trend in the physical properties means they will follow some pattern. Like when we go down in the series, something addition in the first member. Like here, carbon becomes carbon 2, hydrogen becomes H4 from H6. So this means it will increase the molecular mass. If the molecular mass will increase, the size will increase. If the size will increase, the volume will increase. The boiling point, the melting point, everything will means, but they will have the same pattern. If it will increase while going down. If it will decrease going down. So they will follow a trend in the physical properties. If the question comes in the homologous series, the consecutive members of that series differ by which group? This is CH2 group. Or you can say, this is the definition also, the homologous series means wherever the consecutive members of that series differ by CH2 group, that series is said to be the homologous series. Right? In the next topic which we are doing, that is nomenclature of organic compounds. What is nomenclature of organic compounds? Means how we are giving the names to that carbon and carbon compounds. See, this is IUPAC. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is an organization which has set some rules. The rules means if I will give the name that is chloromethane, bromomethane, everywhere in all the books, wherever in any corner of the country or anywhere in the world, they will read as bromomethane, they will read as chloromethane, means their constituents will be same. So there are some rules. So to understand these rules, first of all we should know there are three types of hydrocarbons on the basis of the structure. One is chain hydrocarbon, second is branched hydrocarbons, and third is cyclic hydrocarbons. So rules are first rule is longest chain of carbon. The longest chain of carbon means we have to set the carbon chain should be longest. We should count the number of carbons like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever the carbon chain will be longest, we should take that chain. Second is give the least number to the substituents. Give the least number to the substituents, means anything which will be branched, we should give them to the smaller number. Give the least number to the double and triple bond. Wherever the double bond or triple bond will be there, we should give them smaller number. Then next is substituent should be arranged alphabetically order, right? Wherever the substituent, if the bromine is there, chlorine is there, B comes first in the alphabetical order, so B will come first, that is blue. And all the letters should be in the small alphabets and they should be written continuous, right? We will be doing, then we will be understanding more. The proper position of the substituent should be mentioned, means which carbon it should be arranged, whether it is 2, whether it is 3, like that. See here, one example is there. It is CH3, CH2, CH, C and CH3. First of all, first rule, we should take the longest chain. The longest chain means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or either you can take from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I'll take from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I will be giving the longer number or the greater number to the substituent, which is not valid. So I will be taking from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now then I will be looking for the substituent. This is bromine here, this is chlorine here, this is alkyl group, that is methyl, right? So here bromine comes first, chlorine after that, and methyl M comes afterwards. So first of all, see the position number 1, 2, 3. That is 3 bromo, that is 2 chloro, position number 2, proper substituent position 2 chloro. Then in 2 methyl, and the next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The longest chain, I told you the countings. If the carbon number is 5, that is pent, right? That is pent. And there is all the single bonds are there, so it is belongs from the alkanes group, so the suffix will be -ane. Each name comprises of 3 important this prefix, root and suffix. The prefix will be given from the substituents. Then second is the carbon chain, which gives you the main root word, and the suffix means whether it is from alkanes, alkenes or alkynes, something like that. So it becomes 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 methyl pentane. So another one is CH3, CH2, C, again CH3, again CH3, then here Cl and CH3. Now how we will be giving again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If I'll go from here 1, 2, 3, 4, it will become 3 and 4, which is not right. So I'll take it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here again it becomes 2 chloro because C comes first, right? Then is 2 chloro, 3 and 3 because double times it is. So 3 and 3 dimethyl, 5 pentane. Like this we are moving to the naming of the organic compounds. Thank you.